Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video we will doing the unboxing and see the first look of this TP-Link MR 3020, which is a portable 3G 4G Wi-Fi router. It supports 3G 4G modem, and this is I have bought this from Snapdeal with rupees 1499 and with the discount of 40%. So if we talk about its MRP, it is about 2000 plus rupees. So it says it has the Wi-Fi router inside this and some other stuffings which we see after this, and also it is quite small in packing, and we have some code numbers over here, and it also says it runs on Windows 8, but it also supports Windows 10, and it is working decent in other operating system also. So let's try to open this up and see what is we are getting inside the box. So this is the TP-Link MR 3020 itself, and it's very light to see. Touch this, it feels very light in weight. It is made up of plastic, fully plastic, and keep this side and see what else we are getting inside the box. So it's a nice packing inside this, and this is the resource CD which we are getting inside the box. It might contain some drivers and manuals inside this, and this is some user manual and user guide how to operate this. And this is the adapter, power adapter, which we are getting inside the box. And if we talk about the rating of this charging, it have 1 ampere of charging, so it is a normal adapter. So this is the power adapter, and we are getting this USB, so it is universal USB cable with the 2 USB ports for more power backup, and this is for power backup. And which we are also getting this LAN wire inside this. I'm totally much surprised about this, that we are getting this LAN wire inside this. So that is a nice thing which TP-Link had done. And let's see the device now. So this is the TP-Link MR 3020 portable Wi-Fi router, and it feels very light here, and you can see I have hold this in my hand, and it seems very light and small, so it is very portable now. And TP-Link branding over the top, and we have some indicator over here, and we have power, and this is for data connectivity indicator. This is Wi-Fi indicator, and next one we have the LAN indicator. And this is WPS button for direct connect, and here we have a LAN connectivity port here, and here is and we have some button over here, and it is switch type, and which we for which mode we have to switch on or off. We have this for user to on or off the settings over here. If you are using 3G or 4G modem, so you can just make it up. And this is the USB 2.0 where you have to insert your modem, and here we have some codes. We have here we have a key. When you connect your device for first time, you have to enter this password, after that you have to open your browser and put this address, which is 192 point something is written over here. um, mm, mm, and you have to configure from your browser, and we can use it. And I have also checked this range of this device, and the range was quite decent. I have used in all my 4 rooms for a BHK flat, and it was working totally fine, no issue about the range. You have to just put it on the wall and it will work absolutely fine. And it supports all the 3G, 4G, and also eVideo. I have also tried with ABS and an eVideo data card, it was working very fine. And you can also download and configure the firmware updates. You can also download and install the firmware updates in your browser. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any doubt, just mention it below the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it right now. It will help us a lot. Thank you for now. Bye.